Hey everybody, it's Lynn Pratt. Thanks so much for joining me. I had to do a live taping this morning, so I actually am showered, dressed, put on makeup. I'm actually wearing real pants, so I thought I would just do a live taping while I was at it. I just want to let you know some of the things I have going on right now. I have a whole bunch of things going on during this crazy time while I'm staying home. So I just wanted to share with you. One is the Women in Watercolor online competition. The entries are coming in. Everything looks amazing. We have so many talented artists that are entering into this show. I am super excited about it. We have 6 amazing judges that are judging it. Contest, the entries close June 8th, so you have just less than 4 weeks to get your entries in. So make sure you go to womeninwatercolor.com, check it out. There's 5 different categories that you can enter into. You can enter a whole bunch of different kinds of things. You can win up to $5,500 in cash prizes, plus a whole bunch of other stuff and a ton of things with publications and things like that where you can just really get your art out there and get noticed. So I hope you will check that out. I also have my Patreon online school going on. I'm posting a full video tutorial every week minimum. So I used to post every single Monday a full brand new tutorial of a new painting from beginning to end, and you would get the reference photo, you'd get everything you need, color charts, everything you need to do that painting. I have upped that schedule since everybody is home and doing a lot more painting. So I'm doing a minimum of 1 painting a week, but usually more than that. I usually do about 2 or 3 at least every 2 weeks. I'm also posting lots of in-progress work and things like that, so you can check that out on there. So Patreon is a paid subscription service where you can get those access to those tutorials by paying and being a member of my online school. However, I also, at least once a month, post another free tutorial on there as well. So if you're not looking for a paid subscription service at all, no worries, still check it out because I do have a lot of free tutorials on there as well. I also have started a free online Facebook group just for free tutorials. So it is called Lynn D. Pratt Free Online Class. It's a group in Facebook, totally free to join. Everything on there is accessible to anyone who is a member, and I have full pre-recorded tutorials, plus the reference photo, the line drawings, the color charts, everything that you would need to do. I think I have about 5 different paintings on there right now, but free classes that you can just log on, access anytime in your own time at home. So I hope you will check that out as well. But I have lots of stuff coming up that I'm super excited about. I was supposed to be going to Fabriano in France in a couple weeks. Obviously my trip was canceled, so I'll be home. So I was supposed to go to Fabriano in Italy to see the show and everything that's going on there, and then travel around with my husband. I was also going to be able to spend my 40th birthday in Italy with him, so I was super excited about that. Obviously, that trip is canceled. So I'm trying to come up with some fun things that I could do to celebrate my 40th birthday while I am at home. So I hope to offer some free tutorials, things like that. So I have a couple ideas in the works so that you guys can help me celebrate my birthday at the end of this month. So I hope you will check out my Patreon online school and the Women in Watercolor competition, and also my free online Facebook group that I have going on right now. I'm also posting many free tutorials on my Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, so you can check out all the different social media things I have. I hope to offer things for all different styles. I have a lot of my photorealistic quality work, but I also have done a lot of more abstract things and things that I'm kind of playing around with while I'm staying home. So I hope you will check it out. Thanks so much for joining me. Again, I'm fully dressed today, so I thought I would say hello to everyone. Usually I am just painting in my pajamas in my little corner. I also cleaned off my desk today. I was super proud of myself. So look at this, it's a clean desk. All of these paintings, plus probably 20 more, were literally piled up in the corner of this desk. So some are finished, some are not. So my goal in these next couple weeks is try to finish up all the in progress work that's on my desk. I don't know about you, but I tend to get distracted easily and get excited about new things going on. So I'll see something and I'll get excited and I'll need to paint that, and I'll put what I'm working on aside and start something new. So hopefully I can get some of these things finished up in the coming weeks. My goal is to start 40 with all this stuff finished and ready to go with brand new work. So thanks so much for joining me. Check out all the online classes and tutorials and everything I have going on. I hope everyone is doing okay, staying home, staying safe, everything like that. So thanks so much for joining me. Check out all this great stuff going on. I have loved seeing everybody's work that they're posting all over Facebook lately. There's just so many talented artists that are creating so much amazing stuff going on right now that it's really inspiring to keep us all going. So thanks so much for joining me. Check out all those things, and I hope everyone is doing well.